All right, so this one is the battery for the KLX 250, and this one just comes with its own little filler tube. So basically, we're going to pop this off, and basically we take this. See how they're sealed? They're sealed up. Basically, take that bad boy, stick it on there like that, and hit it down. Now, that thing is gonna drain right into the battery. That's it. That's all you do. That's enough for the battery. Every single bit of it should drain out. And here it says, be certain that all the electrolyte has flowed out. Tap the bottom the same as well. Wait, the same as the way above. So basically, if these aren't flowing out, you just kind of give it a little tappy tap, tappy tap, tappy tap. And that's it. So that's how easy some of these batteries are to fill. So I did purchase these batteries from Rocky Mountain ATV. I do not have a link for Rocky Mountain ATV, and I don't know if these, I'm pretty sure this battery can ship, and you can ship that and you can get that battery. So if I find something on Amazon for this battery, Rocky Mountain's real close. I needed it today, so I just ran down there and got that. But I have had batteries shipped to me before, and I did have this that I bought also, and I actually used it on a smaller battery, so I had a ton left over. But as you can see, that is pretty much out. So, instructions say, fit the strip of caps tightly into the filler ports. Make sure the strip is at the same level as the top of the battery. So, basically, now that that is done, we'll pull that off, dispose of that properly, and then we've got this right here that comes with, well, it comes on the top of that. So then you're just gonna want to press that down, make sure it's on there snug, very snug. Get that pressed down in there so it's sealed. And I think I'm going to use something here to kind of help me push down on that. There we go. Yeah, see that? Make sure she's sealed nice and tight. So that's that. Boom. That's the battery for the KLX 250. Filled, ready to go. Stay tuned, and we will do an install video for those who might not. I mean, if you don't know how to install a battery, I'll make you a video. But for the most people, it's pretty easy.